Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use color mix to edit a picture in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open gallery. Now in gallery, open the picture you want to edit. So after opening the picture, click on this edit icon. Now here, click on this tool icon, and from here click on color mix. Now we will edit this picture using color mix. So that's how you can edit a picture using color mix. So you can see I have changed the color of the car using color mix. Now to save changes, click on done, and then to save changes, click on save. So that's how you can change or edit a picture colors using color mix in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.